What is up, YouTube? My name is Oscar. Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make easy money online with affiliate marketing, and I have a special bonus at the very end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Let's get started. So, what is the perfect way to make passive income online? Well, because of the title of this video, it is affiliate marketing, because you don't need any products, you don't need to create any online stores, you don't need to do drop shipping, you don't need to do any of that. All you gotta do is promote other people's products and get commissions up to as high as 90%. So some of these products are worth like $10,000. If you can find a product that's worth $10,000 and you promote something that's worth $10,000 and you get 90% commission, that's $9,000 just from promoting one product. So yeah, this is an easy way to make money online because you can do this anywhere around the world, from South America to Africa to Europe to Asia, United States, Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Egypt, Libya. Honestly, anywhere around the globe, this is possible for you to make money online. And with this job, you could travel the world with your family. You could go to the beach whenever you want. You're not stuck in your office, your 9-to-5 job, and honestly working your life away, because you can do this anywhere around the globe. And in today's video, we're going to be using Pinterest. So as long as you have an internet connection, you can make money online like that. And with this side hustle, passive income, whatever job you need, you could actually pursue other things such as your hobbies, or you could do this full time. For me, I pursue my other hobbies. This is just my side hustle to make money, because my actual job is being a nurse, an RN in California. So I make pretty good money that way. This is just passive income, a little bit of side hustle money that's helping me become a millionaire much sooner. So how does affiliate marketing work? It's very simple. It's really easy. Number one, you become an affiliate for any types of products. There's tons of different products. You could do software. You could do online courses, coaching. You could even just promote Amazon products, for example, for your website. Whatever your niche is, you can become an affiliate, because that's how a lot of people are making money online. You could promote products on social media, and in today's video, we're going to be using Pinterest to promote our products, okay? And when a customer clicks on your link, you're going to get money every single time, sometimes as high as $25 per click, $50 per click. It really depends on the product that you promote. So it's all up to you. And I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step breakdown on how to do it in today's video. Also, big brands pay you in commission from the biggest brands like Home Depot, Amazon, Craigslist. Honestly, the biggest brands in the whole world, Apple, will even pay you commission. It doesn't really matter as long as you choose the affiliate product that you want to promote. You don't need any products. Like I said earlier, you're going to be promoting other people's products, which is awesome. And you don't need a big following, especially if you're going to be using Pinterest, because Pinterest, your followers don't matter. It's all about the pins that you make, okay? It's also the safest and easiest way to make money online on your spare time, because you could do this whenever you want. If you want to work 1 hour today, you only need to work 1 hour today. If you want to work 2 hours per day, you could work 2 hours per day. And there's really no money down to actually do this and actually get started online, because I'm going to give you the free tutorial on how to do it for free, okay? Or for very cheap anyways. And you can make thousands of dollars in passive income, because some of the products that you promote has residual income. So for example, if you promote a software, they might be paying you 50% commission every single month, okay? It doesn't matter if they've had the product for 1 year, you're still going to be making 50% commission as long as they are paying for that particular product, okay? Some of these companies pay up to 90% in commission. So let's say a product is worth $500, you would earn $450 for every single time someone clicks on that link and actually buys that product. So let's get started. Number one, we're going to be looking on Pinterest, okay? We're going to look at vegan recipes, for example, vegan. Okay, let's go see what types of pins. You could see this, right? There's tons of different pins on here. Whenever you click one, it's going to take you to their website. It's going to take you to their landing page, and they're probably going to promote an affiliate product, okay? So let's go click this one right here, brown rice and root veggie soup. If you click on here, it should take you to their website. Oh, not a video. Let's go click here. They are not taking you to their website. You should be. Okay, so these guys are doing it wrong. They're just making pins, but it's not leading to anywhere useful. Let's try this one. Shop. See, they're using Pinterest to promote their print on demand product, like a coffee mug, for example. So basically you could link this up into your landing page. Okay, so I'll talk more about that later on in the video. So what you're going to do is sign up for ClickBank right now, and they have more than 4,000 products. They've paid out in more than $4.2 billion in commission, and like I said, some products pay up to 90% in commission. They have tons of different categories, from arts and entertainment, e-business, e-marketing, games, parenting, honestly, the whole 9 yards. But we're doing health and wellness because it's a $4.2 trillion industry. Especially the weight loss niche is $702 billion, and this was only in 2017. Okay, so once you're on ClickBank, so once you sign up on ClickBank, on the top right side, you could go look up vegan, for example, vegan Unleash, 1 month vegan challenge, plant-based recipe cookbook. See, you're not making any of these products, you're only promoting it. So let's go look at the 1 month vegan challenge. For example, if you promote this product and whenever someone buys it, you're going to be making $21 in commission. So you're going to be promoting this product right here. If you scroll all the way down, if someone takes the vegan challenge, it's only going to be $27, and then you're going to be making $21 from that, and you didn't even need to make the product. Okay, $21, and this one is $27, so they're only taking in about $6, and you're taking in the rest, and you didn't even need to make the 1 month vegan challenge. Okay, so all you gotta do is go on Pinterest, make some pins. You can use sites like Canva, and you can make these pins really easily. You can make like 30 pins in under an hour using Canva, and all promoting your ClickBank offer. And this is the basic funnel for ClickBank or any types of affiliate marketing offers. You create a landing page that links to a bridge page that clicks to an offer page. And I'm going to be talking about it step by step on what each one does. So, for example, if you go to a landing page, the goal of a landing page is to collect their email address. Why do you need to collect their email address? Because you're going to be, the more people are in your email list, the more different types of products you can promote. So like I said earlier, let's say you promote the 1 month vegan challenge, for example. One of your customers doesn't look at your emails and doesn't want to buy it. Boom, because they're in your email list, you can promote the vegan muscle diet. You can promote the plant-based recipe cookbook 2.0. You can promote all these other offers that they might like, and you're still going to be making commissions on each one of them. So let's say for the first 7 days, you send emails out on the Vegan Unleashed. Next 7 days, you promote the vegan challenge. Next 7 days, the vegan muscle diet. Next 7 days, the plant-based recipe cookbooks, okay? So you have different chances to make money online just promoting these different products, okay? So you're not just stuck on the 1 month vegan challenge. You can promote a ton of different products as long as you have their email address, okay? Next up is your bridge page. In your bridge page, you're going to give a testimonial on the product and what they should expect in the offer page. So landing page, collect emails. Bridge page, a little video of yourself talking about veganism and how the 1 month vegan challenge changed your life. For example, it can only be like a 30-second video. It's very simple, very easy. You could just use your smartphone. And then on the bridge page, they're going to click a button and it's going to take them to the offer page. What's in the offer page? The 1 month vegan challenge. You don't need to make the offer page. You just basically link them to here using your affiliate link, and whenever someone buys the product, you're going to be making money that way. Okay, it's just basically a 3-step funnel. It's very simple, it's very easy, but it's effective. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually get started today and make this sales funnel really easily. All you got to do is go to my video, scroll down to the YouTube description, and click on the #1 tool for affiliate marketers. Once you click this, it's going to take you into Builderall, which is basically a 3-step click funnel where you could start now for just $1. It has everything you need to make sales funnels, online courses, honestly everything you need from email marketing, from unlimited websites use, unlimited emails sends. This is one of the cheapest ways to actually start with affiliate marketing and also make websites on the side, or you make sales funnels for other people and make money that way. Once you sign up for the $1 trial period, you log in and it's going to take you into this Builderall funnel. Okay, all you got to do is click enter. It's very easy. Once you click enter, hopefully my internet loads up a little bit faster. Okay, so we're going to create your first website. Okay, you could do professional templates, for example. Click on professional templates, and it's going to give you so many different templates on how to actually make this affiliate marketing funnel really easily. So we could do, there's a bunch of different ones. We could do health and fitness, for example, or we could do like just a niche funnel like this one. So you could choose any of these. Let's do if only my tabs were a lot faster and I had better internet. But we're gonna go look at, let's go just choose a random one. Preview photographer, a photographer. So this is basically their landing page. Okay, this is your landing page right here. Like I said, goal, you collect email address. This is your landing page. You collect their name, their email. You don't need their telephone number, and all you got to do is click this button. Okay, so once you put in that required fields, for example, bob at Gmail. Okay, I want my discount. Okay, once you click that, it should take you to a landing page, for example. If it loads up, if they actually made it, they didn't make it yet. Okay, so what it should have done is taken you to a bridge page right here where you give a testimonial on the product and what they should expect. Well, you can actually make it really easily. All you got to do is go to blank, for example, blank template, select this, save. Okay, so once they build your website, you can make a sales page really quickly. And remember what's in the sales page, on the bridge page, you're going to give a testimonial on the product and make a little video about it. So yeah, so you can basically make, let's go see edit page real quick. Remember, all you got to do is something very simple. All you got to do is right here. Okay. So this is what it looks like. All you got to do is double click. This is going to be your bridge page. You could do something like okay, you could do watch this video. Okay, and you can add anything you like, really. You can add panels, elements. You can go down here and your videos. So let's do Vidello, for example. Okay, you're going to be watching this video. Okay, watch this video, and then all you got to do is basically add a button. Go to elements right here, return. You could add a button like so. Bam. Okay, you could add a button, and whenever someone clicks this button, it should take them into your affiliate marketing offer, for example. You could link that very simple, very easily. All you got to do is right here, set link. Once you set the link, let's go. 1 month vegan challenge, use copy, paste it, select. Once someone clicks on it, clicks on this register now, you could also change the text and all that. But yeah, you're going to be promoting the 1 month vegan challenge. If you want a more in-depth guide on how to get started with affiliate marketing and all the sales funnel, I actually have this little offer for you. All you got to do is click this button right here, High Ticket Freelancer. This is the guy that helped me make $103,000 my first year with affiliate marketing. He helped me break down from everything from landing page to bridge page to offer page, all in one video for free. It's very simple, it's very easy. All you got to do is click this button right here, and it's going to take you to the landing page. All you got to do is click get instant access, put in your name, put in your email, and they're going to teach you everything you need to know with affiliate marketing, from the bridge page to the landing page to honestly everything within 30 minutes. So I suggest watching this video. It's super easy, it's super helpful, and that's what helped me make over $103,000 my first year with affiliate marketing. If you are ready to get started online, this is my #1 recommendation to do it, because he's helped over 300,000 online marketing students. He's one of the top consultants in the digital marketing space. So yeah, do a product that actually works, promote products, whatever your niche is, and he will help you with everything you need to know. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.